Breezy. It's business time.
An EPK can help you get tour ready because there's a good checklist to knock out everything you have in that initial email. You should have a live video in your EPK. You should have a bio, which someone should be able to easily access. Maybe you put it in the body of your email. It should have all your accolades. So, your email can really just be dates, genre of band, touring through, market history, here's an EPK, and the EPK should pick up the other conversational slack about what you have going on. And if you have everything in the EPK, you should have everything to get booked. You should have a live video. You should have a little tour history. Maybe you've been on one radio station and someone's written a little press about you. Anything you can do to fill it out and give yourself the air of professionalism or, hey, we exist, we've done some things. And you'll find people who are willing to take a chance on independent artists. If your music speaks for itself, then it does.
How can an EPK help you get tour ready? Richard likes to use this as a checklist. So not only will you have something to make you look fancy and professional and show off to people that probably invested money in your stupid music video and studio time, but you'll also be able to use that stuff for posters in the future and for them to make Facebook event pages. The promoters can print out posters with your assets on them. So it kind of goes down the list of, I have a live video for video ads. I have a live video for Facebook groups. I need 30 videos made specifically for markets, shouting out them and something interesting about our past shows in that town. Something that helps you get a little organized if you aren't already. So use that as an opportunity to have a library to build for future assets and keeping stuff up to date in there, and having a shared folder is still not a bad idea.